Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gift card on PayPal. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com/gift. This is the official PayPal gift card marketplace. Log in to your PayPal account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your name in the corner. Now, browse from popular options: Starbucks, Apple, Google Play, Netflix, Uber, and tons more. Use the search bar or filter alphabetically for faster results. Let's choose Starbucks. Click on it. Select your preferred gift amount like $10, $25, $50, or $100, whatever works. Choose whether the card is for yourself or as a gift. If it's a gift, enter recipient's email, your name, and optional message, and even schedule the delivery date, perfect for birthdays or holidays. Click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. At checkout, select your PayPal balance or link funding source and confirm payment. And you're done. If it's a gift, the card goes straight to their email. If it's for you, it will be sent to your PayPal email. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.